Let's try Mary Berry Punch Twizzlers. Yes, the holidays are over, but I still have a few holiday snacks left, so here we are. Looks like a blueberry and blue raspberry mix. Could taste really good, could taste really awful. Let's see which way it leans. It's definitely giving me Christmas tree vibes. It smells blue raspberry. Is it going to be too much? Let's see. Not nearly as strong as I thought it was going to be. Tastes much more like traditional Twizzlers, not so much the heavy, sweet, heavy flavored versions like Pull and Peel. So subtle that it's almost not perceivable as blue raspberry. The more I eat, the more the flavor's building. It's giving... The thing is, it's not so wowing. I don't want it to be so heavy on the flavor. I'm gonna need another one. I'm not gonna lie, they're sort of boring. If you're gonna combine two fruits together, I need more. I don't know. It's fine. Let's say 6 out of 10.